Alright guys, I got my Tainted Grail balling Avalon today. I can't do this. There we go. Collector's edition. And alright.
Need help?
There. Always. Well, now it's open. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is. Is that supposed to be something? Open that.
It was just the paper.
Heck yeah.
Wow, that's bad.
Okay. I got, I don't know what this is. Is this an owner manual?
Preparation. What did they... Oh, it's a magnet.
I told you not to break that. Oh. Oh. I'm trying to... You keep moving it up and I'm trying to move it out. So, nice.
I'm trying so you don't get my face.
And then I got this. Nice little ball of Avalon. You can take that out. And then a coin. It's a double-sided coin.
A map? For your computer?
Oh, it's for my computer.
Yeah.
That bit's perfect. Hold it up. I'm not going to show your face. I'm not that kind of dickwad. Nice.
Pretty.
Look at that. It's got like a little flag and everything. Wow. And the smell.
Back.
My sister wants me to get the back of it. Oh yeah. And I think that's it. That's the box, guys. Thank you again for sending me this. That is badass. I'm gonna definitely hook some of these things up. This display thing, hell yeah. And then the coins. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we'll see you again next time.